This is the current meta in the NBA. This has revolutionized shooting off the dribble. This is what all the best players are doing. And this is the moment of truth. What is a defender supposed to do here? If he does close out to contest, that shot fake becomes a swipe. If he doesn't close out, it becomes a gather and shoot. Let's look at these examples. Is he going to shoot or drive? And this move results in a lightning fast release. Notice how his whole body works in tandem with the dribble. He coils his body downward to get power to potentially shoot. Let's hear what Steve Nash has to say about this coiling of the body.
Always want to play the game here, both ends of the floor. The lower you can get here, the better. So you don't want to get here, you don't want to get here, or here. You drop your chest a little bit. That's using your low back, right? Which is not a strategy to get up and shoot. You want to use your legs, your butt, your hips, your legs to shoot.
Look how Steph stays coiled this entire sequence. Even on a sidestep, he remains coiled in mid-air. The gather threat is always accompanied by this coiled position. If you are not coiled, you are not a threat to shoot. The body is coiled, whether they decide to drive or shoot. The body coils, the hand reaches for the ball, and the eyes locate the center of the rim all simultaneously, whether he decides to drive or shoot. Doing these things simultaneously is going to speed up your release. This is one of the best moves in today's game, so why not use it a lot? Hadouken! Kyrie seems to be very blatant with this move, and really focusing on the baiting aspect of this move, putting the defender in a tough spot. Look how often he spams this threat. By habitually spamming this move, it can overwhelm and overload your opponent's mental capacity, much like you see fighters do when feinting. Let's listen to what George St. Pierre has to say about this tactic.
I'm looking up. Like flinching. You want to load up the nervous system of your opponent by giving him different useless information to make him worry about. What I'm doing now is I'm loading up his nervous system, make him react. And by doing so, his reaction time will diminish. Because it's like a muscle. The more rep you do, the more the muscle gets tired.
This move has the same effect as a pump fake, but you still have the option to dribble. This move is absolutely filthy.